Hey guys, so today is going to be a very short video about MidJourney 6. As you might have heard, before Christmas, MidJourney version 6 was released. It's actually pretty good, very different from versions 5. If you want the full details of the release, you can go here on the MidJourney blog and read their blog article. It's pretty interesting. But basically what has changed is that now you can create images that are way more realistic, and you can also create images with text inside. Also, I think the prompting techniques have changed a little bit. So yeah, if you want all the details, just go and read this article. You will see it's pretty interesting. Now what we are interested in today is how to use it in your Discord server. So even though it's still an alpha version, you can already use it in your prompts. So to do this, you just have to go to your Discord server and simply create an images. So an astronaut surfing in space, for example, and just add the parameter at the end, V6.0. Up, if you do this, here I'm gonna have an image created with version 6. If you have the, I don't remember which membership is it, but if you have the premium membership, it should go on fast mode, not on turbo mode. It's not available right now for version 6. If I compare to version 5, you will see version 5 is way faster. Up, so if I just go with the normal prompt, here you will see I should go on the turbo mode, and this will be way faster. But anyway, I'm just doing it so to show you as well a comparison of images. So here we have an image created with MidJourney V6. Actually, I like this one, the first one, pretty well. It's pretty nice. And here is with version 5. So let's just open this one, for example, just to show you like a little comparison between the two. So here is version 5. It's actually not too bad, but if you look at the astronaut, there are still maybe a few weird things, like, I don't know, the astronaut helmet looks like maybe more like a snowboarder or something. You can see the astronaut is not really on the surfboard. The water is a bit weird as well. And yes, the astronaut has like an orange combination, like suit. And if you go here, we have much more something that look much more like an astronaut. I think the prompt got more the idea that I wanted, like I wanted an astronaut surfing in space. So I didn't really know, like I didn't really expected water or whatever, but you can see here, like he got more the space part. The astronaut is more looking like what we expect from an astronaut to look like. So yeah, this is pretty cool. So this first way of creating images with version 6 is here. You just add the parameter. And if you want to create all your images with version 6, just go ahead and type /settings. It will open the settings for MidJourney. And here you can select the model you want to use. So by the way, here you can use many other models. So if you want to, try different models and see how it was before, but here we're just gonna have to select version 6. And as you can see, it's still in alpha, so it's not a problem. You can already use it. It's already working. Just be aware that probably there will be a lot of changes in the coming weeks or months, and maybe some prompting techniques will change as well. So here you select version 6, and now I can again create a prompt. So let's say an astronaut an astronaut walking in a spaceship. And just to show you the capabilities of the version 6, let's say neon sign behind saying hello Houston. And here I don't need to add any parameters at the end. It will by default use version 6. So here we can wait a little bit for the image to create. And yeah, just a few things that you will notice, and because I think it's still an alpha. So here, when you create an image with version 5, you can, you can zoom out, you can create variation, you can vary only a region of the image. But here with the version 6, it's not possible yet. So yeah, just be aware of that. If you create an image and you're not very happy, like for example, imagine here I wanted to, I don't know, like just change the color of the suit, no, it's not a good example, but let's say I wanted to, instead of the American flag here, I wanted to have an Australian flag. With version 5, I can just select here and do in painting. With version 6, it's not possible yet. So you have less customization possible yet on the images, but it should arrive in the pretty soon, depending on how fast MidJourney team work. And and so here we have our image created. So as you can see, it's not perfect yet. So we still have some weird stuff happening sometimes. So here, like an astronaut, I don't know, is like facing us and also not facing us, I guess. And yeah, I just wanted to show you the capabilities for the text inside the images. It's not perfect yet. It doesn't work every time, but you know, here, it's close enough, I would say. And sometimes you just have to do several variations before having the text appearing well. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. And in the meantime, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this one. And have a good day and see you in the next one.